Universal remote controls have been around for quite some time, but now that we get more and more of these connected devices in our homes, it seems fitting that they would want to innovate in that space as well. Well, today we're going to look at a universal remote that does just that. It's from Logitech. This is the Harmony Elite, and it is a universal remote control that would work right out of the box and connect to up to 270,000 different devices. But what makes this special is that it also works with connected home devices, and I'll get into that just a little later. If you look at it, it looks like your standard television remote, except on the top here you have a 2.5-inch LCD screen that you can interact with just by using your thumb. You of course have the traditional dials of volume up and down. You have your menus. What you do is you basically would set this up with a variety of different devices, so you don't have to use the remotes anymore. You could use one remote to connect to everything. It's a very interesting and user-friendly design. You have touchscreen controls and also traditional button controls. So the controller sits into the dock base station, which is basically about the width of a coaster, and it nicely sits in front of it. On the back, you will see a micro USB slot, and this is what you would charge directly into an outlet, so that every time your controller is sitting in its little cradle here, it's going to be charging. Now, all of this is used in conjunction with the Harmony Hub, which is about the size of a hockey puck. And this is what you would connect closer to your television to give that infrared connection between the controller and all your various devices. If I just move the Harmony to the back, you'll see that there are a couple of different connection ports. You have a pairing button, and that's what you use to pair to a variety of different devices. You also have a micro USB slot. And this is how you would basically keep this powered, connecting it directly to an outlet source. There's also two little slots over here called 1 and 2. And what you use those for is to connect the infrared connections for the Harmony device. So you simply, through the headphone jack, basically, connect it to here, and this gives you extra infrared controls so that you can move around your house and have the controller while still controlling a variety of different devices. The hub itself connects to devices through 3 ways: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and IR. So 3 different ways to wirelessly connect to all your devices and to your television and game consoles and whatnot. All of this, you have to understand, works in conjunction with the Harmony app as well. So once you have it all hooked up, you can use the Harmony app to basically customize the controller and to get all your devices connected into one simple interface. And also, in addition, a variety of connected home devices like the Nest thermostat, the Ecobee thermostats, the August smart locks, the Sonos players as well. All those different types of connected home devices can now all operate under one controller. This one right here, the Logitech Harmony Elite.